Want a beachfront hotel with postcard-worthy views, a private terrace, and front row seats to Sitges Gay Beach?
We found it, and you better believe we're taking you inside.
From room tour to poolside vibes, cocktails to cobblestone streets, this is your full review of Hotel Calipolis Sitges. Hey everyone, we're Andy and Trai, aka Two Gay Expats, bringing you travel tips, hotel reviews, and LGBTQ guides from around the world.
Today, we're in one of our favorite destinations on the Catalan coast, Sitges. If you're planning a beachy gaycation to Spain, you've probably heard of it.
And if you're looking for a hotel that's central, stylish, and just steps away from the gay beach, we've got you covered.
We recently spent a long weekend at Hotel Calipolis, one of the most LGBTQ-friendly and iconic hotels in Sitges.
We'll take you through everything, room details, facilities, food and drinks, travel tips, and let you know why this is such a popular base for exploring Sitges.
You seriously can't beat this location. Hotel Calipolis is right on the seafront promenade, just steps from Platja de la Bassa Redona, also known as the main gay beach in Sitges.
Right across the street, you've got Picnic Restaurant, a longtime favorite for post-beach drinks and Mediterranean bites.
The hotel is within easy walking distance of all the gay bars, clubs, and restaurants, but it's far enough away from the city to feel peaceful at night.
Bonus, there's an underground parking garage if you're driving and a taxi stand right across the street for easy transfers.
And if you're arriving from Barcelona, Sitges is just 40 minutes away by train, so it's super accessible for a weekend escape or as part of a longer gay Spain itinerary.
Next, let's talk about what's on site. First up, the pool. It's a smaller setup, but the terrace and poolside loungers are perfect for a post-beach nap or lazy afternoon cocktail.
Speaking of cocktails, the Infinity Tapas Bar is located just off the pool area. It's casual, breezy, and a great spot for sunset drinks or light bites.
Inside, there's also Restaurant Mirador. This is their main restaurant where breakfast, lunch, and dinner are served with a side of sea views.
The gym is decent too. Nothing crazy, but enough to get a quick sweaty session in before hitting the beach.
And if you're mixing business with pleasure, there are meeting rooms and event spaces too. Definitely a versatile hotel.
Now, let's show you our room. We booked a standard double with a partial sea view, and let me tell you, it did not disappoint.
This is room 429 located on the 4th floor. We booked during shoulder season and got a killer deal, just €128 per night.
The room is super spacious, bright, and modern. The first thing we noticed, the private terrace. It's large, has an adjustable solar awning, and offers beautiful views of the beach in town.
Inside, you've got a comfortable double bed with outlets and reading lamps on both sides. Always a win.
There's also a desk, 2 sitting chairs, a luggage bench, and a large flat-screen TV with internet channels. Fast Wi-Fi too, which we always appreciate for editing and uploading.
We also love the thoughtful touches. 2 complimentary bottles of water, chilled glasses in the minibar, and even plush robes and slippers.
The bathroom, spacious, well-lit, and stylish. You'll find a rain shower, 2 sinks, great water pressure, bath amenities, hairdryer, and huge fluffy towels.
There are 2 large closets, one with a safe and drawers, the other with full hanging space and an ironing board. And yes, there's a lighted full-length mirror, outfit check approved.
In terms of food and drink, an optional breakfast is available to add during booking at Restaurant Mirador.
The views from here are epic. Floor-to-ceiling windows overlook the beach and promenade. It's a dreamy way to start your day.
The buffet spread is generous. Eggs, bacon, fresh fruit, pastries, cheeses, local favorites, and yes, plenty of cava.
Later in the day, you can grab a bite at Infinity Tapas Bar. It's poolside and casual, and the drinks are refreshing.
For dinner, Sitges has some amazing dining options just steps away. One of our favorites is Villa Marina. Pro tip, make a reservation even in the off-season.
We learned that the hard way. Some restaurants are closed on Mondays or Tuesdays, and bars may only be open on weekends during the low season.
For our overall experience, we really loved our stay at Hotel Calipolis. From the unbeatable location to the thoughtful room design, it just felt like the perfect home base in Sitges.
The staff were friendly and helpful, the vibe was welcoming, and we especially appreciated the LGBTQ friendliness. We saw all types of couples here, families, friends, and plenty of gay travelers like us.
Waking up to those Mediterranean views, stepping out for a beach walk, then heading to Paris for happy hour, that's the perfect day, right?
And even though it's a larger hotel, it never felt impersonal or overwhelming. The layout, service, and room design strike a nice balance of modern comfort and relaxed beachy charm.
If you're visiting Sitges, here are a few travel tips to help you plan.
First, pack for sunshine and beach days, but don't forget a light layer for those cooler nights if you're visiting outside of summer.
Second, trains from Barcelona run often and are super easy to catch. It makes Sitges a perfect weekend destination or add-on to your Barcelona gaycation.
Third, explore beyond the beach. The cobblestone streets of the Old Town are gorgeous, especially after a rain. The way the light hits the buildings, we were seriously in awe.
And finally, bars like Parrots, El Horno, and Bears Bar are daily hotspots, even in off-season. But check schedules ahead of time if you're visiting midweek. And stay tuned for our upcoming Sitges nightlife video coming soon. In the meantime, check out our blog post on our website at twogayexpats.com.
Oh, and don't miss our new Barcelona gay nightlife guide, especially if you're planning to bounce between both cities.
So, would we stay at Hotel Calipolis again? Absolutely. Great views, central location, comfy rooms, and LGBTQ friendly, it's a win for us.
If you stayed here or have other hotel recommendations in Sitges, drop them down in the comments. We'd love to hear your faves.
And if you like this review, do us a favor and give it a thumbs up. It really helps our channel grow.
Don't forget to subscribe, ring that notification bell, and check out the links in the description for more Sitges videos and where to find the best hotel deals.
And for even more behind the scenes moments, bloopers, and extras, head over to our Patreon and join the community.
We also want to thank our channel members and patrons. We greatly appreciate your support.
Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next adventure.
Hasta luego.